this package because last time I don't have used to things to cut the package open, but this thing is now tighter. Oh my goodness, it's at the other side. Okay, and oh my god, there's so much circuit in there. After the new board, this is kind of cool because it has a hole for a code. I'm gonna write it right over here. Also, I have a meter to check every volt it has. Second, I have a breadboard. This is kind of cool because you can use any wire to inside those holes to get more contraction or maybe current. And then it's always for use for wires, not poking wires. That will work. And then I'm gonna put it there. Second, this package came from this. I didn't tell that in the first place, but okay. Second, the cable. This is cables for a PC. It's kind of long, and also it comes with this shorter one for the Arduino board, but it's gonna get connected by this way. But I'm not gonna connect that anywhere. Okay. Get a better package. Okay. The next package came from this. But it's has something beautiful. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. Oh my goodness! Why it's so tight? Oh. And it's the first thing we have. It's not tight to put my hand. The LEDs. And also I have something else. Like, why is it so tight to put my hands in there? Come here. Ow, that hurt. Next, the resistor. This thing can go anywhere, or you get it straight into a LED. In no code, it actually do this. And also, it just came from the adapter thing that I did find at the store. I'm gonna place that right there. Ooh, out motor. This is kind of cool because it's also called a gear motor, but it's actually visible. We're just gonna open it for you guys. Oh my goodness, why those came out of this? This looks like, but you see this, but it's so white you can even see it when it's moving. You can see it, but this thing came out, so you can plug it. Then you can see it's moving or not moving. I'll place it here, and the package. Oh my goodness, I have another one! And second, a push button and a sensor. I don't even open it because it's kind of dangerous to push buttons. And next, the display. It came from the game, but I don't know what it's in. But now, one thing on the list, but it's just putting the back in there. These wires called jumper wire. These things connect to these wires. Well, there's so much wire that I ripped off it by this wire. Well, I'm gonna show you. Oh my goodness. Okay. Not this one is not jumper. And then if I plug it in, it's gonna get plugged. 3, 2, 1. Why not plugging? Maybe I missed a